Welcome to my channel. This is the ultimate destination for wallpaper lovers. You might be seeing wallpaper popping back up in interior design, especially as bold murals and statement walls. Well, I'm here to tell you, wallpaper is back. And you don't want to miss out on this timeless, transformative trend. I'm Yolanda Brooks, a wallpaper consultant, and I have helped many homeowners and DIYers bring their wallpaper dreams to life. I created this channel because I believe wallpaper is a decor staple that can transform any space. More and more people are starting to realize its potential, and it's only growing exponentially each year. And you know, honestly, it's about time that we embrace this beautiful art form again. So, if you've been on the fence about using wallpaper, I'm here to show you why it's worth considering. Is wallpaper trendy? Is it outdated? How do I choose the right wallpaper? Will it damage my walls after I remove it? How do you install it? Is it easy to maintain? Well, if you're asking any of these questions, you're in the right place. We'll also dive into the latest wallpaper trends and how to use wallpaper to create this cohesive designer level space. On this channel, we'll explore all things wallpaper. Learn the difference between wallpaper and wall coverings, including the various types, the materials, and their unique applications. Discover the latest trends in wallpaper design, patterns, and textures to elevate your space and make informed choices. How to properly install your wallpaper, including the tools that you're going to need and the common pitfalls to avoid. Learn how to care for and maintain your wallpaper so you can have it for years. We'll talk about creative ideas for every space and explore innovative ways to incorporate wallpaper into your home or your business, including accent walls, ceilings, and DIY projects that will inspire your decor journey. Industry secrets and trends, wallpaper on a budget, home makeovers, before and after transformations that will inspire you. This channel will just be wallpaper passion. So if you're ready to embrace this beauty of wallpaper and discover all the incredible ways it can enhance your space, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. I will be sharing my professional tips, tried and true advice, and behind the scenes insights from real client projects so that you can feel confident using wallpaper in your own space. I'm here to guide you and show you why all you need is wallpaper. So follow along here on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.